Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on Shazam. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Shazam and you will click in this window. After that, in this page you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your